Welcome to our post-game press conference. We have our player of the game, CJ Perez, and Coach Leo Austria of San Miguel. Gentlemen, congratulations. Coach, kada may ipasok ang player, ang ganda ng pinakita in this game, made their contributions. Ano yung mga nagustuhan mo sa pinakita ng iyong players that you look or you hope na maging consistent in the next games?
Well, because of what we practice, during practice, I was able to get them time to regain some confidence because I believe anyone from them naman can score. That's why they are very confident, and then alam nila magkakaroon sila ng playing time. And besides, we lost in our game, last game against Magnolia. So in order for us to get into the top 4, so those team contender for the top 4, I'm counting Ginebra, Magnolia, and Tokentex and the other team. So that's why the players are really eager to beat Ginebra because last time we watched their game, so they playing like kahit hindi sila walang tune-up nakikita mo naman na very organized sila, and that's one thing na we want to do. So we have to pressure them and out-hustle them, and that's the only way how we can beat a very organized team.
Thank you, Coach. Now, CJ, pinag-uusapan lang natin before the game yung pagbawi mo, especially with the dip of your scoring output last game. Kanina, nung lumalapit yung Ginebra, you took and made big shots. Gaano kalaking factor yung kagustuhan mo personally to make up for your performance last game?
I think, yun nga, pinag-usapan natin kanina, kailangan bumawi, pero it's just a team effort talaga, and credit sa bench namin talagang they contribute. And sa akin naman, kung darating yung laro, titake ko yung opportunity and nag-grab ko. And ayun nga, nung last game kasi talagang I'm taking bad shots. Ngayon medyo tumamba ako sa outside shots. So yun, talagang thank God na pumasok yung mga outside shots ko. Kung hindi, syempre bababa kumpiyansa natin. Pero di naman tumitigil sila, coach. Mga coaches na i-remind ako na I can do more sa mga ginagawa ko mga last few games.